Rules around smacking children across the UK are changing as a result of new laws coming into force. Changes are planned in Scottish and Welsh legal systems which will make it illegal to hit a child. In England it's already illegal to do so, as it is to hit anyone. However, there's a legal defence that lets parents smack their children. Scotland announced changes last month that will remove the legal defence that protects parents, and Wales is now doing the same. This means England is the only place where parents can legally smack their children. According to charity Child Law Advice, smacking is illegal in England, but has a legal defence of reasonable punishment under Section 58 of the Children Act 2004. However, this only applies to parents and legal guardians, and every case is treated individually. Nannies and babysitters may smack children in England, but only if they've been given permission by parents or guardians. Smacking a child is illegal in England if it can be considered an offence under another law, for example child cruelty, wounding or grievous bodily harm. This might be where a child is left marked after being hit by an item such as a belt. Physical punishment has no place in a modern and progressive Wales. It is right that as a government we take action to protect children and support parents to use positive and effective alternatives to physical punishment. Universal Children's Day https://cot69to6xpic.twitter.com Shook3khdn Hugh Iranka Davies at min_CSC November 20, 2017 In Wales, the changes to the law need to be passed by the National Assembly first. But Welsh Minister for Children Hugh Iranka Davies has spoken out to say physically punishing children has no place today, Wales Online reports. It can no longer be acceptable in a modern and progressive society for children to be physically punished, he said. It is right that as a government we take action to protect children and support parents to use positive and effective alternatives to physical punishment. The NSPCC Samrual has added, we welcome the steps being taken by the Welsh Government towards removing the defence of reasonable punishment. Every child deserves equal protection under the law and should be protected from such draconian forms of discipline. It is wrong that a defense which does not exist in a case of common assault against an adult can be used to justify striking a child. Closing this loophole would also bring Wales in line with dozens of countries around the world. If you're concerned about a child, contact the NSPCC on 0808 800 5000. More about children, family and parenting law changes. Reuse content. We use cookies to enhance your visit to our site and to bring you advertisements that might interest you. Read our privacy and cookie policies to find out more. We've noticed that you are using an ad blocker. Advertising helps fund our journalism and keep it truly independent. It helps to build our international editorial team, from war correspondents to investigative reporters, commentators to critics. Click here to view instructions on how to disable your ad blocker, and help us to keep providing you with free-thinking journalism for free. Thank you for your support. How to disable your ad blocker for independent.co.uk. Adblock Plus. Click the Adblock Plus icon, which is to the right of your address bar. On Adblock, click Don't Run on Pages on this domain. On Adblock Plus, click Enabled on this site to disable ad blocking for the current website you are on. If you are in Firefox, click Disable on independent.co.uk. Firefox Tracking Protection. If you are private browsing in Firefox, tracking protection may cause the ad block notice to show. It can be temporarily disabled by clicking the shield icon in the address bar. Ghostery. Click the Ghostery icon. In versions before 6.0, click Whitelist Site. In version 6.0, click Trust Site or add independent.co.uk to your trusted site list. In versions before 6.0, you will see the message site is whitelisted. Click Reload the page to see your changes. uBlock. Click the uBlock icon. Then click the big power button to whitelist the current website, and its state will be remembered next time you visit the website. Then reload the page. Thank you for supporting independent.co.uk.